Is your dock in a secure location, or do you need extra lighting when boarding and unboarding your boat at night? Lite now offers a motion-activated flood lighting system. Lite offers 3 sizes for mounting arms: 3 foot, 4 foot, or 6 foot. We generally recommend a longer mounting arm to get the light higher up. Next, we're going to want to feed our wire up the mounting arm. Once we see the connector coming out of the top, we'll want to attach the connector to the floodlight. After it's attached, you'll want to take a piece of electrical tape to secure it together. Once it's secured, feed the connector back into the mounting arm. You'll notice that the motion detector is set on one side. You'll want to attach the light to the mounting arm on the opposite side so that the motion detector clears the mounting arm. Next, use the provided bolt to secure the floodlight to the mounting arm. Make sure to secure the bolt tightly in place. Next, you'll want to adjust the position of the floodlight. Generally, you'll want it pointed in the downward position. Once you have it where you want it, there are bolts on the side and you can tighten it into place. You'll notice underneath the motion detector, there are 3 switches. The first one controls sensitivity of the motion detected. The second one controls the amount of time the light remains on after the motion is detected. And the third one controls how dark it has to be outside before the light will be activated. This system easily connects to your existing 12-volt boatlift battery system. If you have a 24-volt system, you'll just connect it to one of the batteries. In your kit, you will find 2 straps. These are to connect the mounting arm to the boat lift. It's easiest if you pre-start the straps around the boat lift before you attach the mounting arm. Now it's time to tighten the straps. Now our light is secured to the boat lift. Next, you'll want to run your wires underneath the boat lift canopy and secure it with zip ties. Now simply attach the red connector to the positive part of the battery and the black connector to the negative part. Now you're finished. You'll also notice that there's a connector. This is for easy removal from the battery. That concludes installation of the motion-activated floodlight for boat lifts. I'm Emily with Lite. Thanks for watching.